Today we will show you how to make Basque Cheesecake, a Spanish cheesecake with a distinctive burnt and caramelized top. It's so creamy without a crust and it's thicker than Japanese-style cheesecake. Basque cheesecake is so popular in Japan, it's found everywhere from high-end specialty shops to convenience stores. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Let's get started. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 6-inch round cake pan with 12-inch square sheet of parchment paper. The paper doesn't have to fit in the pan neatly. Add cream cheese in a bowl and beat with an electric mixer at low speed. Add sugar and beat for a minute until smooth. Add an egg and a yolk and mix until well combined. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Mix until it's smooth. And add salt, vanilla, and heavy cream, and continue beating for 30 seconds. Then add the flour, sifting through a mesh strainer, and beat for 30 more seconds. At the end, mix the batter by hand with a spatula. Then pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake in a preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes until the top is dark brown. When the pan is shaken, the cake should be jiggly. Let cool for 15 minutes and unmold. Chill in the refrigerator at least for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. We made it in a smaller pan, but you can easily double the recipe to feed a larger crowd. If you do, just use an 8 or 9-inch round cake pan and longer baking time. Don't be scared by the unusually dark color for cheesecake. It doesn't taste burned. Instead, it has a very nice and deep caramelized taste that goes wonderfully with the cheese flavor. We hope you try it soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。